If you love that timeless vintage look that makes your space feel warm and elegant, then this is for you. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and let me tell you why I love these floral spring throw pillow covers from Mantle and Mason. These pillow covers come in a set of 2 and are 18 by 18 inches, which is perfect for most standard pillows. What really stood out to me is the vintage inspired floral design. It gives that classic, almost antique feel that never goes out of style. The pattern is so detailed and elegant, and it adds a cozy, lived-in charm to any space. I also love how it blends in with different decor styles, whether your home is more modern, traditional, or somewhere in between. It made my space feel way more stylish and put together, almost like a high-end vintage look without a high price. The material is so soft but also super durable. The chenille fabric feels cozy and comfortable, but it's strong enough for everyday use. They're also super easy to use with a hidden zipper, which makes switching them out quick and effortless. And that's my point of view.